You can just see it's a wee dot on the horizon, but that's him turning round, he's coming this way. There you go, he's got his lights on now.
I see him. Where? I see him. Where?
You're going to see the plane coming in. He's ready for it. He's ready.
Where?
Yeah, we're ready for it.
Where is it?
You see it? Look, I can see the wee red dots in the sky.
I can see it.
He's coming.
There. I think they're just trying to trick me, you losers.
Right, he's coming.
Where?
Look in the sky, you should be able to see it now, Holly.
Where? Dad, I'm telling you the truth. Where is it?
I'm telling you the truth, look in front of you, mughead.
Where? Dad, it's quite far away. See how far away it is? Oh yeah, now I see it. It's so far away, it looks like a UFO. I still can't see it. I think it's because I'm...
It's going to be here in 1 minute.
Dad!
What? Hey guys, watch it the way. Right, cheers, mate.
So where the hell is the airplane? Look! It's like they should see it.
It's going to come down in 1 minute.
For God's sake, guys, where?
Oh, you still can't see that? I should be able to zoom all the way out now and still be able to see it.
Dad, I told you, where the hell is it?
I can just see it now in the lens.
Where for heaven's sake?
Look in front of you, above the, look right up. Do you see it?
I'm looking right up. Where? Right there, how can you not see that? You're in the bowling.
Uh-oh, I think he's going to hit us.
Where though?
How do you think it's going to hit us?
Where is it?
You can't see it now.
Oh, there it is. I'm gonna call it already seen it for like 1 minute ago. I'm gonna call it say.
Oh.
Mr. Ugly Man. Hey! Hey! Oi!
That was fun, wasn't it?
What?
What's another one?